Start. Hello dear people, how are you all? Great session, you would be fine. So today we are going to have the critical thinking session, and the topic which has been decided, the topic name is, should mobile phone be allowed in the school for the students or not? So this is the topic. So here we have two teams, they would be talking on it, and let's see mobile phones should be allowed in the school for the children or not. So first of all, let me know who would be coming here on the stage. So here we have, charming personality on the stage, Monica. Let's give an energetic warm welcome for the Monica. Who would be speaking from the side of mobile phones should be allowed or should not be allowed?
Should not be allowed.
Should not be allowed. Yeah, go ahead. Introduce yourself.
Splendid, good evening to one and all. This is me, Monica, and today we are having a very marvelous, fantabulous, grandiose, grandiloquent, and a very supercalifragilistic, expialidocious topic. And the topic is, should mobile phones allowed in schools or not? And according to me, I'm in the favor or not. But first of all, I would like to say thanks to the founder of a new generation institute, which is run by Sir Sacrosanct Ben Sir, Mr. Suraj Sir, and Mr. Sanjay Sir for having this golden opportunity. As well as, I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions, all the audience, and my esteemed host of this session. So yes, my first point, first point क्या ही बोलूँ मैं? Okay, never mind. The people who is supporting that yes, mobile phone should be allowed in school, I think, I don't know what is their point. Let me clear my points. My first point is, phones is a very biggest distraction in schools. Why we are going there? For learning, if now her phone is ringing, she will be distracted. Not even she, her whole class will be distracted. And I think just because of this reason, mobile phone is a distraction in our schools. And the second point, like people always say, like we are carrying our mobile phones for emergency. Why we call emergency to emergency? Because it happens sometimes, not on a regular basis. And just for us sometimes, we are carrying our mobile phones and we are losing our education. We are like, this is a very big cause. Why we are, that's why I think that's my first point, why we should not carry or allowed mobile phones in the school.
So here we have another charming personality on the stage, who would be speaking from the side of mobile phones should be allowed in the schools, because they think, these people think about it, because of allowing mobile phones in the school, so they can record the videos, right? They can record the important or indispensable videos can be recorded, or sometimes if students are playing in the playground, so those videos can be recorded in the mobile phone. So let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Gungun के लिए जोरदार तालियां on the stage.
So good evening to everyone. So my name is Gungun and today is a debate session. The topic is mobile phone should be carried in schools or not. So I'm in the favor of students should be carry mobile phones in school. So first of all, I want to say that just Monica said that why you are call emergency. Just because I'm not saying that all time emergency, but sometimes it happens that emergency. Sometimes it's happened, and I'm not saying about the all-time emergencies and all the things. There are lots of things about the mobile phones. Like we can study with mobile phones, and we can also study with PDFs, all the other things also. And sometimes it's happened just because of not doing this. The most of the time, don't do homework and also notes वगैरह also. So sometimes we can share with mobile phones.
अभी काउंटर करना चाहती हूँ.
Sometimes we can share notes with students to students. That's my point. And all the other things also, like our safety, and also it's not about distractions. It's only about you can handle your way of study and more other things also. That's it.
Okay, so here we have another charming personality on the stage, Lakshya. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the who will be speaking from the side of mobile phones should not be allowed, right, in the school.
Splendid. Good evening to one and all. This is me Lakshya in front of you all, and first of all I would like to say thanks to Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir for giving me this golden opportunity, and as well as all the viewers or the spectators who all are present over here. So today we are having a debate session where the topic is should phones will be allowed
Phones should be allowed
in the school or not. So I'm in the favor of not, because like sometimes we are in like lunch break, and if there will be phone allowed, so we can't talk, we can't interact with our friends, and we will just scroll on our phones, reels, and just message and text it. And like sometimes we in the playground on the games period, students will not play any sports or something, and they just sit and scroll the phone.
So here we have another charming personality on the stage. Sir, let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only sir, who would be speaking from the side of mobile phone must be allowed in the school. Right? Just clap everybody, otherwise.
First of all, a very special round of guidance galore, Mamlas and Supercalifragilistic friends and as well as Masagos and Manso, who gave me this golden stand here. So my name is Sarwan. The fantabulous marvelous session has been created and organized by New Generation Institute, supported by Surajki Srishti. Okay, so now a smallest topic has been given by Professor. That topic name is should be phone allowed in schools or not. So I'm supporting positive side. Yes, be positive, but don't come positive. Okay, so let's start. You know there are multifarious points. So there are multifarious points are present over here that there should be allowed mobile phones in schools. You know mobile phones are just like the gadgets which help you in your study with your intellectual matchings and matchings with the teachers. You can coordinate with the teacher easily with the mobile phones. According to me, you know, in sir, may I take that means in only phones or laptops that all things sir we can include in it. Yeah, only mobile phones we should say. You know, in today's generation, in today's generation, the laptop classes are conducted in the schools, so many schools, and everyone is not here who can afford the laptops, so he can take the phones, the smart he can take the smartphones to the schools to conduct his class. Because smartphone is a type of gadget which will help you to coordinate with the teacher. And I know so many people will say I know the bachche hai na, you know so many haters, my haters will be here who will not support me. I will say, you know, there should be the guidelines, you know, there will be the guidelines in school, of course, like no one is there, like teachers teaching you and you're playing video games, means every time you're under the phone, you're in the phone and only using phone. It will not happen in schools, because school is school, not your home that mom will come and say beta mat rakho ye karo, that all things. The teacher will punish you if you will use phone for too much amount of time, for wasting your time. I have done. Yes sir, my bad.
So here we have another charming personality on the stage, RUC, who would be speaking from the side of mobile phones must be allowed in the school. Come on the stage. Clap. And another charming personality on the stage, Spanish personality on the stage. Who wants to come? First of all, let me know. Guys, let's. Ritik, are you ready? Come on the stage. Ritik, on the stage. So yeah.
First of all, a very good evening to everyone. I am Arushi Gupta. Today I am here for the debate session, and I should be allowed in the class and the schools. I have multiple points to defeat my point. Firstly, intellectual learning. Second, safety. Third, e-books and virtual studies. I have 4 points. I will briefly explain them series wise.
Firstly, intellectual learning. We most of the time saw that small kids in the class play or first get digital learning through animated videos and everything all. For that kind of learning, we can allow we can allow phones in the classroom. Second, security. Many of the times, as the season of the for the weather, today's weather and the current weather, of the child must be deteriorated as per the weather. Third point, third point, e-book. As per the government instructions, in few years or may very early, the actual books will be abolished and the e-books are invited to the schools. Fourth point, virtual classes. For example, any of teacher of our school is on maternity leave or any kind of leave that he or she can't come to the school. They can conduct online classes in the school and we can attend them into the school without wasting our time.
Splendid, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, and very warm welcome. Good evening to one and all. This is me, Ritik, in front of you. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my Seducing Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir for giving me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. And also, I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, spectators, all the companions, and all the audience who all are present over here at this moment. अर्ज किया है, दिन गुजरता है रील और स्टेटस के चक्कर में, अब अपनों में कहीं खो गए हैं, अब कैद है एक छोटे से डिब्बे। डिब्बा जो है फोन है। Okay. Interesting debate topic is here. The topic name is, should mobile phone carry in school or not? Phones can distract students from lessons which is going on in the school period with games, notification and social media and other app notification, hindering their focus and attentiveness in a class. Phones can be used for cyberbullying and harassment, etc., and cheat in the exams. During exams and assignments, students are very easily able to cheat in the exams from Google and ChatGPT. By easily providing access to answers from Google and communicate each other with viciously. Okay, and excessive mobile phone use is linked to phone addiction, anxiety, depression, and lack of sleep, and reduced physical activity. That's all.
I want to counter these all three people. Arusha was saying, I am here to defeat my points. I am here to defeat you, I think, first of all. She was saying, I think you should say you are here to defend yourself. I think she is using too much mobile phones.
As our English grammar teacher has teaches, now come to the point on the way.
Okay, fine, 7 bhaiya. I think she is using too much mobile phones in the school. That's why she is saying here defeat instead of defend. Let's come to the points. She is saying we are in the weather of using e-learning, intellectual learning, digital communication, this kind of things she is saying. And according to me, why teachers are in the school, why we are providing a jobs, why school are saying that we are like they need teachers, why teachers are there? If you are carrying a mobile phone, so you are saying like our mobile phones are helping us in this kind of things, and I don't think so that teachers are needed. She is also a teacher. Why you are teaching? If mobile phone should be allowed in the school, then why you are teaching? बच्चे पढ़ लेंगे ना फोन से अपना आप ही खुद ही, क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो फिर आप लोग? If teachers are the hairs, then why should you study with the YouTube and the chat GPT 2 days before your exam? Never. Bhai, I never study from YouTube. I am here. My Suraj sir, my Shivani ji is teaching me, guys. I am not using mobile. He is using mobile, but that's why he is in your team.
टीम में पैसा है
No, अगर तो मेरी बात करें तो I didn't teach myself from the phones. I teach myself from an institute, from a school, or from my teachers.
सब पहले बोलो खत्म कर रहा है मेरे को दूसरे मौका नहीं मिलता
Anika, as you said that I never use mobile phones before my exams. Do you really think that you never use your mobile phone?
I didn't use never.
Never. You said
I
I didn't use mobile phones before the exam because of Suraj sir, because of institutes. Do you really think that you have cleared your all doubts in the institute without phones? Do you really think at your home? I don't think so. Suraj sir go with you at your home because of study.
Are you done?
Yes, I am done.
It's not a topic about at your home. I'm not carrying my mobile phone in the schools. I'm talking about I never use my mobile phones in the schools.
You said that because of Suraj sir here, I have an institute, so I didn't use mobile phones before my exams. That I don't think so. This is a valid point of view.
I think I didn't complete my sentence. That's why you are not clarifying about it. I am saying I didn't use my mobile phones at the time of exam because I have a school, I have a teacher, I have an institute, and at my home
I don't think so. You have cleared your all the doubts here. I don't think mind. So how can you say that?
Gungun, need to listen to me. It's my choice. I can use my mobile phone in my home.
It's your choice. That's my point. It's your choice. I'm not saying that you should carry your mobile phone and use in classes. I'm only saying that about the phones uses of about phone. There are lots of advantage of mobile phones. You know
Sir, let me clarify. We are having a topic. Should mobile phone carry?
Why we are saying that mobile phone should be allowed in schools, not in classroom? Why are you again say that in classroom?
He is saying about it like mobile phones should be allowed in the school or not. Just listen. If there is the time of examination, you would say yeah, mobile phones should be allowed because we can understand the.
Sir, it's not.
So in the same way, she is saying like you are willing. She is willing to say like when there is the time of studying because the time has been fixed according to the in the school according to the subjects classes are there, different
I'm
periods
talking
are
about
there,
the phone.
and lunch is there. So according to the time, there is a fixed time and a fixed duration. According to that, in the school there are classes. So at what time people would be using the mobile phone? What are you willing to say? Mean to say at the time of studying when the teachers would be teaching at the time.
Sir, I'm not saying that in classrooms, but उसके बाद भी तो कर सकते हैं ना schools के. रुक जाओ पहले मैं clarify कर दूं.
Okay.
पहले मैं हिंदी में बोल दूं.
जी.
हिंदी में बोल दूं. तुमने स्कूल की बात करी ना.
I'm talking कि स्कूल के अंदर मैं मोबाइल फोन अलाउड नहीं कराना चाहती हूँ.
तो मैंने सिर्फ कैरी करने की बात कही. मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि क्लासरूम में आप बैठकर इसको यूज करो, उसे स्क्रॉल करो. मैंने ये वाली बात नहीं बोली. सिर्फ स्कूल में कैरी तक की बात बोली है और आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड बात करी है कि फोन्स कैरी कर बाहर भी कैरी कर सकते हैं उसके यूजेस के लिए. बस दैट्स माय पॉइंट.
We are using. It means she didn't want to use her mobile phone in school. Are you? हाँ ना?
What did you say?
It means you are not. You are saying we should not use our mobile phone in schools.
In classrooms, I said that. क्लासरूम की बात ही नहीं हो रही, स्कूल की बात हो रही है. Why are you misguide the topic?
अगर स्कूल की बात हो रही है, स्कूल की बात है. Let me show you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. In a school when we are carrying a mobile phone, I don't think so. Is there anyone people who will not shoot the school? And I think we are not having a proper permission about this. Yes, you can shoot the school. Can you shoot your school when you are carrying a mobile phone? Like people are having a habit that they will make a snap. They will
So hello everyone again. So I'm putting my points on, means not putting my points, doing counter attacks on them. They were saying about they were saying about the distraction and the reputation and that all things, whatever they were saying. I want to put my another point that for countering their point and for cross their point. You know, my team members said about like we can took the phone to the schools for emergency. You know, as you are studying in दो गली छोड़ के वाला school, everyone not studying in दो गली छोड़ के वाला school. No, everyone is not studying. Everyone is not studying in nearby schools. So many people are there. They are studying in Sheikh Sarai and Kalindi Kunj. So many friends are there. You know, for doing traveling, for doing this all things in today's generation, the phones are must. If something happens in school, where like something wrong happened with the school to that girl, he can call, he can connect to their parents about any emergency. It is a exceptional cases of the uses of phone, and except this case, there are so many multifarious cases to interact with the teachers. I want to ask, you know, in every sir, I want to ask, in sir, every year, every year, like thousands tons of the trees are being cutted. You know why? Because of making the papers, and by the papers, what will happen? The books are being written, and every year means after recycling also too much amount of paper will destroy, and the trees are being cut by and by, and the global warming is increasing. I am having one suggestion. If you will take the phone to schools, you can open the e-notes, you can open the e-books, you can open the e-notebooks or e-notes by which the teacher will teach you. You know, whole world. No one is the superior. Everyone is having one level. Sometimes teacher also confused that what should I teach and in which way I should teach. In that situation, the phone will help you. In that situation, the AI will help you. And you know, do you know about the smart? Sorry, तुम तो गरीब स्कूल में पढ़ते हो ना? Sorry. Do you all know about the smart classes? Do you all know about the smart classes? The smart board classes, the video classes. You know, it all like video classes. You know, आजकल कोई लोग पाठशाला में तो पढ़ते नहीं, sorry तो पढ़ते हैं ना. हाँ. मगर everyone is not reading in पाठशाला and to school too small schools. Everyone is so many people are there. They are learning in big auditoriums. Also, big auditoriums. So only big schools are there. Like I can take example of Lakshman Public School, Kalka Public School. You know, and there's so many famous. You know, there are so many big schools. Their video classes are available. Teachers are teaching there with the help of phone, and they're listening to the teacher with the help of phone. Now, teacher is teaching something in the board in the smart board, and they are interacting with the phone. It is the normal case. It is the normal case about the modern classes. Everyone in modern classes, they are not listening me properly. So मैं counter कर सकता है ना? So they are not learning situation. All classes are being smart. सारे smart हो रहे हैं. It is big smart, and it will be. You know, everywhere. I want to like they all. I'm saying to replace the phones in the place of books. Books एक जगह पे, phones एक जगह पे. Like books will help you in a limited way, or phone will help you in an unlimited way. And you know, as per the guidelines, you know, it will take some gadgets in the schools. So there are some. हमें पता है मैं अच्छा बोल रहा हूँ, तारीफ मत करो यार मेरी. You know, I'll say as per the guidelines, there are so many guidelines are present in the schools. Like the timing of using phone, timing of opening the phone, and timing of taking the phone and put in the offices. That like now you can't use the phone. The guidelines are present here. बड़े स्कूलों में होता है ऐसा, तुमको नहीं पता? It all things happen, sir. If they don't know, so it is my duty and it's my pleasure that I have to make him know, like make them know, make her know about all the smart classes. बाबा आदम का जमाना नहीं है सर.
as Sarvan bhai here already said that books were at the one point and the phone were at the one point. According to for defending his point, I want to say that books were may get tear or misplaced by the in the schools, but phones were like can't get tear. Phone can't get tear, or we always carry our phones in the pockets, so there is no fear of getting misplaced our phones. And second point is that for the Monica and her team, I want to ask her that in COVID-19, when government conduct the policy that you can give online exam or can give offline exam in the school, we will make the arrangement of sitting in the distance so that there will be no cause of the offline exam. Then why should every student select the option of online examination? Cheating तो तब भी हो सकती थी ना?
That was not an option. That was a choice of a government.
Government ने दो choice थी.
Okay, let me counter you now. Fine.
Okay. I think मैंने starting में clear कर दिया था. The same point is now spoken from a side of Arushi and Savanbhya also. The same. I think why like books है हमारे पास, teacher है हमारे पास, दिमाग है हमारे पास. We are having everything, you know, guys. And still we are using a mobile phone. We are using a mobile phone in a 24-hour max 7 to 8 screen time also here. And still we are using mobile phones in a school as well. Okay, I want to counter Gungun Didi, Savan Bhaiya and Arushi because they all are saying mobile phone should be kept. Mobile phone should be allowed in school. And according to me,
It will happen in the school.
I think
तुम तो खुद
it's a
एग्जाम लो.
distraction. It will be happen in a school also. Okay, let's come to the point. Arushi Savanbhaiya was saying the same point that there is a phone. Why we need books? We are having a books because of tree. We are cutting tree. We are doing this. We are scrolling our mobile phones in a 24 days max 6 to 7 hours here on a screen time. On a screen time, yes. And still we are using mobile phone in school as well. चश्मा लग जाता मेरे को. तीनों का लगा हुआ है स्ट्रीम में होती तो सेम चीज होती मेरे साथ भी. That's why
Have you done?
That's why I'm here. नहीं, no, I'm not there. I'm not done. I think अगर
But now may I speak something
Okay,
about
go
my...
ahead.
Speak, no one will interrupt me. So I'm starting my point.
I will interrupt you.
Okay, you know, I will say like she was saying about cutting, jo bhi, like she was all saying like scrolling reels, like 6 to 7, that all, etc., like about glasses and that all things that she was saying about like so many things. मेरे को लगता है इनकी आंखें नहीं कान खराब है. You know, I want to make them understand again. I clarify my points and again that I said about the guide as per the guidelines of the school. If the guidelines are not being maintained, the teachers are having the full full right to snatch the phone or snatch the phones of the student as per guidelines. Are you from commerce student?
Yes, I am.
Do you know about the fixed assets and
Yeah.
I want to say, you know, listen me. The phones are fixed asset. If you will buy it for one time, it will work for you about 2, 3, 4 years also. But what about the course? In today's generation, the courses are too expensive. Like every year, the children can't afford it. Yes. So they can buy once the phone of 15 or 18,000 and can run it. वो बात अलग है 44 का ये. हाँ, you can 18 or 14,000.
Yes, Monica said that कि अगर वो हमारी टीम में होती तो उनके भी स्पेक्टिकल्स लग जाते. But according to me, हमारे जो स्पेक्टिकल्स हैं वो कभी पावर के नहीं हैं.
हमारी आइज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए कि हम लोगों ने बोला नहीं कि हमारे नंबर के चश्मे हैं, हो सकता है हम अपने आइज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए लगाते हैं, यूवी रेज भी हो सकते हैं.
May you give me one? You know, I thought like she is having Nokia Bara, so that's why she was saying that all things. In today's generation, the smartphones are coming. In the smartphones, the blue light option is there, which can means protect your eyes. If you're having problem like in your a problem of your eyes, you can on that accessible.
Mobile phone in my home, it's my choice. I don't want to use my mobile phone in a school. मैं 4 से 6 घंटा 8 घंटा घर में भी चला रही हूँ, उसके बाद मैं स्कूल में भी चलाऊँ. ये कौन सी बेवकूफी है?
You know, I want to ask a simple question. क्यों?
A simple answer दूंगी.
क्यों क्वेश्चन? मेरा क्वेश्चन है क्यों? क्यों तुम्हें फोन स्कूल्स में नहीं यूज करना है?
Because I am using my mobile phone in my school at max 5 to 6 to 7 8 and in a school if I मैं ये सेम चीज करूंगी क्या मेरी आईज पे दिमाग
Sir,
पड़ेगा?
now about this is the talk and this is the matter of means using phone in a good way, in a right way. You will use your phone in this point came. You know about scrolling reels and all. In school you will study as per the guidelines, and at the home there are not any guidelines, so you will use for the gaming, for all the things. And outside of school, in home, it will harm your eyes. जब स्पैक्स लग जाएंगे तुम्हें. It will not cause damage in your school, but it's giving you knowledge and all things.
Gungun and Arushi and Sarwan, as like first of all, students would be going for the purpose of in the school for educating themselves, right? They would be going for the purpose of educating themselves. So first of all, there would be the prayer, right? There would be the prayer. After that, there would be the 6 or 7 periods, right? First of all, I just want to ask, at what time would they be using the mobile phone? What would be the right time? At that time they would be using the mobile phones, because there would be the lunch timing. In the lunch time they would be having their meals, and after sometimes if they would be having some less time, then they would be playing in the playground. Okay, and when there would be the timing of educating themselves, like there would be the period of 1 2 3 4 5 6 periods. At that time they would be educating themselves. So at what time would they be using the mobile phone?
I think like you didn't understand about my points.
Yeah.
What I am saying about interaction. You know, I'm not saying that 24 hours in the school you should like you have to use phones and phones. I am saying in the periods, like when it is the period after the teacher teach the topics after like 45 minutes, in 15 minutes, like the teacher can give a good recap by using AI and phone, and in 15 minutes after the period. I say about the guidelines also. If a child is using mobile phone without a guideline, the phone will be snatched. About wrong use and right, there is a difference.
Of how many minutes there is a period of one period.
15 मिनट यूज करने के लिए बोली थी मैंने फोन.
So you mean to say just because of your this thinking pattern, people are supposed to use every students are supposed to use the mobile phone for 15 minutes in every period. It means that the 15 minutes in one period, and 15 minutes in second period, and 15 minutes in third period, and 15 minutes and fourth period. It means that you want to say that
Sir, do you know
must be.
Sir, do you know about the gap of half an hour, the gap of 45 or 40 minutes? Seeing continuously. Sir, watching continuously, doing something continuously can be harm, but doing something like in the period of time, it will not harm.
Being disqualified. This is Ravi's point. Nobody will accept it.
Sir,
Nobody will accept it.
sir.
You are supposed to use the mobile phone for 15 minutes in one period. What Ravi's point are you speaking?
Sir,
You are being disqualified. No, you can't speak that.
I have to speak.
You mean to say if there are 7 periods in the schools, so students are supposed to use for 15 minutes at a time in one period. It means that 15 minutes again and again. So at what time would they be studying? How would they be?
Sir, a period is for sir. Now again means you are not understanding my point. I am saying in 45 minutes of period, 30 मिनट सर एक पीरियड, एक मिनट 45 मिनट का होता है. 30 मिनट टीचर फिजिकली पढ़ाएगा and 15 minutes they will make the teacher make the.
What about the distractions? How would teachers be controlling that distraction, the deviation that
Sir, again,
get
sir,
deviated just because people would get.
मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ. Savan and Arushi was saying that Savan and Gungun Didi was saying that we should use a mobile phone in school but for 15 minutes. What will you do in 15 minutes? Can you explain me what will you do in this 15 minutes, Arushi? Can you explain? Savan was saying that yes, we can use mobile phone in school but in a certain period of 15 minutes. Can you